Hello everyone, my name is Petronella Stole. I'm here to present to you ideology. Firstly, some of you would like to know what MMM is. MMM is a global community where people help each other by giving help. It is a global community of like-minded people who believe that together we can fight the unfair financial system of this world. We live in a world where the rich get richer and the poor work more and get poorer. MMM is not a company nor a bank, it is a peer-to-peer donation. How does it work? MMM people declare the willingness to provide help in their personal office. MMM give 30% reward per month from their contribution. You must help other people first for you to get help. For they say, give for you to be given. In MMM, your contribution is known as Mavro, and you will increase by 1% every day, and the interest accrue usually Tuesday and Thursday. Some of you would like to know the benefits of joining MMM. A mutual aid. If you help someone now, you have extra money. You can get help from MM community when you are in need, when you are the one in need. Participants who have donated their extra money will earn 30% compounded interest on their donation. Available bonuses in MMM. There is 10% referral bonus from the donation of people you refer to MMM. Manager's bonus when you build your team of MMM participants. Registration bonus of $20 to $100. Video bonus of $3 to $5. The greatest part that you are part of MMM. You have a community who is ready to help you when you are the one in need. Be registered in MMM. Join us as we are bringing a financial freedom to the society to be able to build a better society. With MMM, we can build a better society. With MMM, we can live the life of your dream. Don't be left out. You will live a life full of regrets. Join us at MMM. For those who are interested in joining MMM, please don't forget to forward me on my email address. That's sitolepet@gmail.com. sitolepet@gmail.com. Thank you.